Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And let's quickly cover Zilliqa. It's down to about 16 cents. And yeah, I mean, I told you in the 3 hourly time frame that if we break this support line, you are gonna get a drop. So and that exactly what happened. And this was a confirmation. As soon as you close this candle over here below these support lines, you can see what happened. The price came down, okay? And if you are aware that we were above the 20 moving average and we came below, you can see now the price is 20 moving average is acting as a resistance to the price, okay? Now you could easily go to the 4 hourly time frame and also see that the 20 moving average is acting as a resistance point to the price, okay? Now it depends on if we can break and come up, that would be good, but in the short term, I believe. Now, if you go in the 3 hourly time frame, you can look at this easily. When we broke out of here, you were creating something of a bearish pattern. Okay, I can show you the bearish pattern. It was something like this. Okay, a symmetrical triangle, and within this symmetrical triangle, you were making a bearish pattern. You were making this left shoulder, the head, and this very small little right shoulder. Okay, if you take another trend line, you can just draw it right over here. You can see we were never able to break this area of uh, resistance. So we did try to come out, but this was a fake out. People over here, they sold it and the price started coming down. Okay, so now whenever it came down, you had a price target. It was from the top to the bottom, and this is how you can see after the breakout happened. You can see exactly we came in, met this area of support. Okay, now if you take this into consideration, you could also bring a Fibonacci level and measure this move from the top to the bottom, and you can see if you measure this move right over here, you can see again, we can see the 1.414 came in as a support for Zilliqa coin, and we came in over here, and now we have a little bit of a maybe a recovery going on, but again the 20 moving average is coming in as a very strong resistance, and might move the price a little bit down, but we are going to have a little bit of maybe a consolidation phase going on, because you can see exactly the momentum of the coin has been dropping. Okay, and before, Zilliqa average volume on Binance was about 4 billion to 5 billion, even 6 billion sometimes. Now it's only at about 1.4 billion, 1.40 billion. Okay, so the volume is also dropping at the moment. Maybe uh, everybody's waiting on to find its bottom. And you can easily just, if you look at this pattern now, okay, we have already broken this, so I'm just going to take this off, hide the EMAs, and go in the 3 hourly. Yeah, now you could just do this. We can see we found some support over here. Okay, I'll just bring this line and just place it over here, because I can see that this has been an area of support for the coin. And I can also see some resistance levels for Zilliqa right over here. Okay, so now right over here is, I think, going to be good, because I think the strong, if you go in the 4 hourly, now in the daily, yeah, the next strong support point for Zilliqa is at this area, 13764. Okay, if you go in the um, weekly time frame, you can easily see that after we had this breakout, okay, we went towards the downside. Uh, okay, let me just put it this way. Okay, this was the high, this was the low, this was the high. Okay, so it's gonna come in this area of, what I believe. I can be wrong. It might find a low before. But I think this is one of the strongest points where it can fell back to. Okay, now let's go to the 3 hourly time frame. And I believe it's making this falling wedge formation, where the price is just gonna be acting, in this manner. Maybe come over here, find support, go up, find resistance over here, come down, go back up, come down, unless you have a break from this resistance line. If it plays like this, I mean, I'm a genius, I guess, but let's see what happens. And just in the 4 hourly time frame, let me see. You could also, if you bring the EMAs, you were also seeing this bearish divergence in place. So this dump was already coming, okay, after it made its all-time high to 23 to 25 cents, I believe. Okay, yeah, 25 cents, no, 23 cents, yeah. So you can see this bearish divergence, the momentum was dropping. Meanwhile, the price kept on going towards the upside. Look at this, okay? So the momentum was already dropping, and now it's just a time where it's going to find its bottom. And you could also bring this, put it over here, and in the RSI, oops, let me show you. Okay, and you could also bring a support line right over here. At the moment, it is finding a support. What at this point you can see in the RSI the price is just going up, down, and probably gonna go up, find some resistance somewhere, and then come down. Okay, until or unless you come back and maybe find some support in these or the 55 moving average or the 100 moving average, either or. Okay, but I believe it is going to fall down in this wedge formation. If it breaks the support, it will come and just test the 55 moving average. Okay, keep this in your mind. If it plays in this wedge, then that you should know accordingly where the resistance and the support areas are. Okay, but okay, guys, this is it for Zilcoin. I hope this brought you some new information and some knowledge. If you're liking this kind of Zil videos, hit the like button so I'll keep on making these kind of videos, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay? Alright, guys. Bye bye.